Welcome back to my channel. I had an exciting week, awesome week. How was yours? Exciting as well? I hope so. Right, another episode. Pearlappetite, as you can see here, are creations on ceramic plate, including glass plates. I even use metal plates as well to create art on them, and they are painted upon and studded with pearls, gems and Swarovski crystals. So that's Pearlappetite. These are the petite ones, and I make those big plates as well with a dinner plate size. Let's look at a new series of work that I've created for my clients. Today we will look at how I can create art with your company products, raw materials, parts of the products, and create art out of those materials that you will provide me. Now, sometimes some of these materials and products can be mundane and not beautiful to look at, tires for example. But you give it to me, I can actually turn them into beautiful works of art. You're going to enjoy what you're going to watch. Stay tuned. Here is an example. Now this company is Qatar International Cable Company. They manufacture power cables, electric cables, massive ones. And I visited the factory to understand how they produce these cables. An amazing knowledge I picked up, and I brought them back home and started thinking and writing about it, and finally decided, and I told them that these are the materials that I need. So Qatar International Cable Company, like I just mentioned, produces power cables, and I've used their materials. They provided me power cables of various sizes, cross sections cut out of their power cables. Look at this, is amazing power cable cross section. Wires, like I did mention, and copper strips and copper materials, and the insulation materials they have given me. And I've used that to create art on this plate. For example, this is an insulating material, copper strips, copper sheets, copper wires, and they turned out to be to my satisfaction. It was a less than 2 months project, and guess what? I thought they would order 20 or 30 pieces, but the order was 230 pieces, like the ones you see here. A difficult task, daunting task, impossible task, but I managed quite well, and to my satisfaction and to their satisfaction, delivered all 230 plus pieces on time for a function they organized, which is an extension of the factory. And these gifts were given away, a gift to all the dignitaries that attended that function. So, if you give me your company products, parts of the products, your raw materials, I can actually turn them into beautiful works of art like the ones you see here. Now, let's go through some of the works that I've created for this company, QICC. And since there are too many of them to showcase to you, we will do that in 2 videos. Here is video number 1. Tell me whether you enjoyed those creations. So bring me your materials, bring me your raw materials, bring me your products, bring me your parts of your products, and I'll create beautiful pieces of art for you.